junk it.
Well, maybe if you gave me the proper tools, I could...
Junk it!
All right, you know what? I'm willing to have this discussion with you, but I think we should deal with it like two people who are...
I wanted junks.
Okay. Right now, I'm kind of like a powder keg, and you're the match. If you tell me to junk it one more time...
Junk it now! You got that?
That little sucker just saved your life.
Ha 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 ha! Then junk it! You miserable cuss!